Hey guys, so this is my SSMS SQL Server Management Studio. So I have logged in with Super Admin account. So for the first time when you open this SSMS, not first time, whenever you open SQL Server Management Studio, it will show you one pop-up where it will ask you about the credentials. So for example, if you have forgot your credentials, then you can reset it from here. So let me disconnect it for now. I disconnected. Now again, if I try to connect it, so this pop-up will show to all of you. Okay, here under authentication, we have selected SQL Server authentication and login as super admin and the password we have provided. So you have, since you check this button, remember password, so you are able to connect it. But you, for any purpose, you want to change your password. So let's see how we can change the password. So from here, we cannot change the password. First, you need to connect with your database engine. Okay. So let me connect with my database engine. After connection, okay, now we can change the password. So see how we can change the password. To change the password, we have to go to this security section. So under security, we have this login folder. Under logins, we can see super admin. Okay, just double click or right click on it, followed by this properties. So we'll get this window. Here you need to change the password. So to change the password, let me change the password. Okay, okay. So I change the password and simply I have to click on this OK button. Now I clicked on this OK button. Now let's click on this security and click on refresh. And then we can restart our database as well, our connection as well. So just restart. Okay. It is asking, are you sure to restart this? Just click on yes, and it will restart your connection. After restarting, you can disconnect this and again try to connect it. Okay. Now this time it is taking the, I mean, recent password which we changed. Now you can click on connect, or if you want, you can type your password as well. So let me delete that password and let me enter a new password. And already we have selected this remember password, and let's click on connect. So now you can see we are able to connect it. Okay, and you can see the databases as well. So these are the databases. Previously also these were the databases. Some system database we had, and this is we had created the database. So this is how you can change the password if you forget the password, and that password you can use it anywhere. If you want to create some connection between third party application, that you can do it. Thank you so much.